Most travel problems don't come from bad luck. They come from small decisions that seem harmless at the time, but slowly make your trip more stressful, more expensive, and less enjoyable. Smart travelers don't just plan where to go. They think about how they move, how they spend, and how they adapt. These small habits can completely transform your experience. One of the smartest things experienced travelers do is manage their energy, not just their schedule. Many people try to do too much, rushing just to check off a list. This leads to exhaustion. Smart travelers plan fewer activities but experience them more deeply. They leave space to slow down and enjoy unexpected moments. This has evolved into the slow travel movement. In 2026, it's about shifting from a vacationer mindset to a lifestyle approach, prioritizing sustainability and quality. Staying longer in one place reduces travel fatigue, a condition affecting over 25% of travelers. By staying a week or more, you eliminate the constant cycle of moving. Slow travel also allows you to find local prices for food and groceries, often saving 30% compared to tourist zones. It's better for your wallet and the local community. Seasoned travelers take a day off from their holiday every fortnight. This involves doing absolutely nothing to preserve mental energy and prevent burnout. Another important habit is mastering the first hour after landing. Most travelers focus on flights and hotels, but forget about the critical transition from the airport. This first hour can be stressful if you don't know how to navigate. Smart travelers prepare in advance, knowing exactly how they will reach their accommodation without confusion. Before departing, conduct a 5-minute group briefing. Establish emergency meetup points and communication protocols for when phone batteries inevitably die. Learn the local emergency numbers. They vary globally. In the EU, it's 112. In the UK, it's 999. Knowing this simple detail can save lives. Money management is where smart travelers truly differentiate themselves. They use simple strategies to avoid fees and keep their trip under control. Experts recommend a 3-bank account system, a checking account for daily spend, a sinking fund for the trip, and a separate emergency reserve. Be wary of hidden fees, especially hotel resort fees, which can add $50 per night. Always check the fine print or negotiate at check-in. Avoid dynamic currency conversion at terminals. Always choose to pay in the local currency to get the best exchange rate from your own bank. In 2026, over half of global travelers use points to maximize their budget. Choosing destinations based on where your rewards go furthest is a master-level habit. Be tactical about timing. Booking midweek flights on Tuesdays or Wednesdays often saves hundreds compared to weekend travel. Location matters more than luxury. A beautiful hotel far away from everything wastes time and increases transportation costs. Stay where the action is. Staying in a convenient location improves the entire experience. It allows you to explore naturally without the stress of long commutes. Digital security is a core survival skill. In 2026, smart travelers shun public Wi-Fi, using eSIM technology for immediate, secure data upon landing. Adopt a zero-trust model. Assume all public networks are compromised and always use a VPN, especially for banking or accessing personal documents. Smart travelers also maintain an offline digital vault. Store encrypted copies of your passport, visas, and insurance documents in a dedicated, password-protected app. This ensures you have access to critical information even if you have no internet. Biometric systems like IATA's OneID are becoming standard. They reduce wait times by 60%, making your transit through airports frictionless. Manage your digital footprint. Avoid real-time social media posts. Delaying updates until you leave a location protects your privacy and your home. Learning basic local phrases is a small effort with a big impact. Hello, thank you, and excuse me are enough to change how people respond to you. It shows respect. You don't need to be fluent to build bridges. Small gestures often lead to the most genuine cultural interactions. Experience shows in packing. Smart travelers pack for flexibility, not for every possible situation. They follow the carry-on-only philosophy. Traveling light saves money on bag fees and energy on long transit days. Choose multi-purpose layers and coordinated colors to maximize your wardrobe. To make light packing work, master the sink wash. Avoid high hotel laundry costs by washing small items yourself and staying in places with machines once a week. Sustainability is now a mainstream priority. In 2026, smart travelers choose rail over air whenever possible to lower their carbon footprint. Consider the resurgence of luxury night trains. They offer a unique way to travel long distances while you sleep, saving on accommodation and drastically reducing your carbon footprint compared to a short-haul flight. Look for verified certifications like Green Key or B Corp. Eco-certified stays are seeing record bookings as travelers prioritize environmental stewardship. Adopt zero-waste habits. Pack an eco-kit with collapsible bottles and solid toiletries. In cities like Osaka, zero-waste dining is now formalized. Support the local economy with shelf-eye souvenirs, locally made, sustainable keepsakes that have a lower transport impact than mass-produced goods. Identifying authentic local artisans is a skill in itself. Look for workshops where you can see the creation process. Avoid mass-produced trinkets and seek out goods that support the local economy and carry the true soul of the destination. Maintaining wellness prevents medical emergencies. Start with a mindful morning, centering yourself before the unpredictability of a travel day begins. Stay hydrated and well-nourished. Carrying a filtered water bottle and healthy snacks avoids the dehydration that amplifies jet lag. Advanced safety habits include using luggage trackers and anti-theft gear. RFID blocking wallets and slash-proof straps are now standard for savvy travelers. Situational awareness is your best defense. Projecting confidence and limiting phone use in unfamiliar areas are powerful psychological deterrents against theft. The most powerful safety tool is your own psychology. Projecting confidence acts as a deterrent. Avoid standing still in the middle of a busy sidewalk to look at a map. Instead, step into a shop to reorient yourself in private. This prevents you from appearing like a target. In 2026, information is your most valuable asset. Go beyond basic tips. Map the exact locations of accredited hospitals and 24-hour pharmacies near your lodging. Use real-time data platforms to monitor regional safety trends before you even land. A rising trend is hushed hobbies, seasonal travel focused on nature's rhythms like birdwatching or witnessing migrations. It's travel at the speed of life. This trend includes seasonal foraging and witnessing natural migrations. These hushed hobbies require you to adapt to the rhythms of nature, moving with the seasons rather than demanding artificial entertainment. It's travel that respects the planet's natural schedule. Adapting to these natural cycles fosters a deeper connection to the planet. It's the ultimate form of slow, meaningful travel. One of the biggest differences is mindset. Problems will happen. Delays, weather, or unexpected issues. Smart travelers stay flexible. Instead of frustration, they adjust their plans. They understand that travel is about adapting and continuing the experience, no matter what. Observe local behavior before acting. Every culture has its own rhythm and social expectations. Take a moment to watch how locals move and interact. This avoids awkward situations and creates a smoother, more natural experience. It's about being a participant, not just a spectator. Finally, focus on experiences, not just photos. Constantly chasing the perfect shot can take away from actually enjoying the moment you're in. Know when to put the camera down. The moments you experience with your own eyes often become the most memorable parts of your journey. This avoids awkward situations and creates a smoother, more natural experience. It's about being a participant, not just a spectator. Travel becomes more meaningful when you think like this. It's not about spending more, but about moving smarter and staying flexible. Small changes in your travel habits can completely transform your experience. Move smarter, plan better, and experience more. Finally, remember that your legacy as a traveler is measured by the respect you leave behind. Move with grace, listen more than you speak, and treat every destination as a home, not just a backdrop. Your journey is a reflection of the world you choose to see. The road is waiting for those who move with intention. Every decision you make, from how you pack to how you listen, shapes not just your trip, but the person you become. So pack light, move slow, and let the journey change you. If you enjoyed this 2026 travel guide, subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Travel smarter, experience deeper. Thanks for watching.